Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q5 and the Tiguan R Line. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Audi Q5 stands out as a luxury compact SUV, offering refined performance and high-end materials. In contrast, the Volkswagen Tiguan R Line provides a sporty aesthetic and strong practicality for everyday use. Both vehicles comfortably accommodate 5 passengers, making them suitable for families or individuals. When it comes to performance, the Audi Q5 generally boasts more robust engine choices, delivering quicker acceleration and a more dynamic driving experience. Its standard quattro all-wheel drive system provides superior traction and handling in various conditions. The Tiguan R Line, while not as powerful, offers a very composed and comfortable ride, perfect for daily commutes and longer journeys. It prioritizes a smooth experience over raw power, making it a practical choice. Inside, the Audi Q5 truly shines with its luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials, advanced technology, and meticulous craftsmanship. It offers a premium feel that justifies its higher price point. The Tiguan R Line, however, excels in practicality, often providing more cargo space behind the second row, which is a significant advantage for families. It also represents a more accessible entry point into the compact SUV market, offering excellent value for its features. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you prioritize luxury, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Audi Q5 is likely the better fit, offering a truly premium driving experience. However, if practicality, ample cargo space, and a more budget-conscious approach are your main concerns, the Volkswagen Tiguan R Line stands out as an excellent and versatile option. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.